Windows and doors can be one, if not the largest investment in your home, especially when you consider the different opening sizes that may be specified in the project. When you come to Cardinal Home Center, our team helps walk you through what is required when building out your home's package. Matt Racer has been selling Marvin Windows and Doors since 2015, as well as interior and exterior doors from our other brands. Lots of times, windows and doors will go hand in hand to ensure the same style is carried throughout the home. The first step in the process is scheduling an initial consultation.
So the initial consultation, again, can be with contractor, yourself, and architect. If we need to just meet with you as the homeowner and talk about the things like color and style windows that you're looking for, and we have to follow up with the contractor or architect later on to determine sizes and what's going to work and what's not going to work. We can do that as well.
The next step is to prepare your blueprints, either with a contractor or architect. Go through and identify the types and sizes of windows and doors in your home.
Whether or not you're picking out just a standard vinyl replacement window, it can be as easy as getting the size and color, or we're getting as detailed into Marvin as looking at sticking or grid styles, in between the glass, SDL simulated divided lights, different hardwood finishes on the inside, pre-stained, different wood species on the inside, pine, vertical grain fir, mixed grain fir, mahoganies. There's so many different options with Marvin that it takes a lot of upfront discussion to get what you're looking for.
Once the specs are put in, a Cardinal associate will enter it into the Marvin's order management system and produce the quote and window schedule. Then, final measurements will be taken and the order will be placed. The last step in the process is the delivery.
At the end of the day, we can coordinate delivery with you or the contractor, and we can bring it right to your house, and there's no pickup necessary. We take care of everything from start to finish.
If you have any questions, you can visit our website, www.cardinalhomecenter.com.